Did you break it? What did you break?
I fix it.
You gonna fix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me. Show me where it is.
I fix it where my top. My top.
Oh no, what happened?
My top. My top.
The top? So what are you gonna do?
To clean it.
You're gonna clean it?
I.
How are you gonna fix it?
Huh?
How are you gonna fix it?
I know. Juice. Juice.
So what happened?
A juice.
So tell me what happened.
On top.
Uh-huh.
I touched it.
You touched it?
I touched.
And then you broke it?
I touched.
So what happened? Did it fall down?
Huh?
Did it fall down?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I touched it.
You touched it?
Yes.
Uh-huh. You. Okay, say you're sorry.
Sorry.
Come here, look at Mama. Say sorry.
Sorry, you that.
It's eggs.
I fix it.
You're gonna fix it?
I fix it.
Hmm.
And my tools.
You're gonna get your tools?
Huh?
You're gonna get your tools?
Huh?
Is that what you said?
My tools. What is that?
Okay, come here. Let's fix it.
This. What is on my bag? Look. Bigger. Bigger.
He needs his tools.
Me too. This. I want it.
You found it? Okay, that's a wrench, right?
Huh? Huh?
You gonna fix it?
Okay. Okay. Watch me.
Okay.
Watch you.
Okay.
My eyes right there.
Yeah. Mhm.
I touch it.
How are you gonna fix it?
Right there.
How?
Right there. Right there.
Mhm.
A pocket.
I think you already cracked it, right?
Huh?
You already cracked it.
Oh.